Hello everyone. So today we will gonna look at part 2 how to connect your official email address with your Gmail. So I have my Gmail web interface opened here. So let's add another official email here. You can see there is an already custom domain email has added here. So I will gonna show you how you can add your email, so it will gonna look like this as a separate part of your emails. So let's go to this gear icon and open see all settings and go to accounts and imports. Then you will check here that check mail from other accounts. So go to this add mail account and add your email here. So my email is support at the rate my domain name, and I will gonna check next. Then the default one pop3 server, next. Then as your email name you have to put your full email address, then your password, then your server. So server is very important. Without that you will uh, never gonna receive an email, or you can't connect to your server. So this is my server I added, and then the port number is 995 for me, and I will click this three checkbox. So it will gonna appear like a label as I showed you earlier with a green mark label. So let's add account here. So it will take few seconds, then you will see a success pop-up or authentication issue. So in our case it will, so let's see what it shows. Okay, so it's successfully added. Then I will leave it as default, yes. Okay, next. So I will add here a um, title which will show you on sending or receiving addresses, email addresses. So support, this is my email, and everything default I will keep those. Then I will change the username. So the username is always your email address. Then my port is 465, and server black host. Okay, so this my server added default, and then my password and the recommended checkbox SSL. Then add account, and it will take few seconds again. Let's wait. Okay, so you can see a success message. So you will send a confirmation link to approve. Okay, I will wait. Let's go to our inbox and wait a few seconds. I will pause the video here and wait for the message here. Okay. Okay, so we are back again. So you can see there is an email here from Google Gmail team, and we're gonna check this, and you will find a link here. You have to click on it and then confirm. So now you can send and receive emails from your Gmail itself. And to make it more appearing like this, you can click on this label and change the color like this. So now your all emails will be colorful as well and appealing. So you can easily separate your Gmail and your work emails here. So that's all for today.